Are you looking to use the fitness app on your iPhone without needing an Apple Watch? This is entirely possible, and the fitness app can still help you track your activity and workouts effectively. Whether you're aiming to monitor your daily movements or set fitness goals, this guide will show you how to make the most of the fitness app on your iPhone. Let's get started. Solution 1: Set up the fitness app. Open the fitness app on your iPhone. When prompted, follow the setup instructions to personalize your fitness profile, including your age, weight, height, and activity level. Grant the app access to necessary permissions, such as tracking your activity and health data. Solution 2: Enable motion and fitness tracking. Open Settings on your iPhone, scroll down, tap on Privacy and Security. Scroll down, tap on Motion Fitness. Ensure that fitness tracking is enabled by toggling it on. Make sure the Health app is also enabled to allow it to collect and store your fitness data. Solution 3: Log workouts manually. Since the Workout tab is not available in the Fitness app, we have to try the Health app. Open the Health app and tap on the Browse tab at the bottom of the screen. Tap on Activity, scroll down, tap on Workouts, tap Add Data. Select the type of workout you're doing from the list. Example, running, walking, cycling. Enter the duration and other details of your workout, then tap Add to save it. Solution 4: Track daily activity. In the Fitness app, navigate the Summary tab. Here you can see your activity rings, which represents your move, exercise, and stand goals. Tap on each ring to view detailed statistics and track your progress throughout the day. By following these steps, you can effectively use the Fitness app on your iPhone without needing an Apple Watch. If this guide was helpful, stay tuned for more tips on maximizing your iPhone's health and fitness features.